Good morning, Southern Maryland, and I'm aspiring meteorologist John Bordash with you right now to give you an update this morning. And right now, it's right around 10 o'clock, and we still are looking at the impact from Winter Storm number 2. Right now, all schools in Southern Maryland are closed, and this does include Calvert County, St. Mary's County, Charles County, as well as Anne Arundel and Prince George's County. And again, these schools are closed for today, and the College of Southern Maryland will be opening up at 5:30 today. Again, the winter storm warning that was in effect for Anne Arundel and Prince George's counties, as well as on up towards DC and Baltimore, has now been downgraded to a winter weather advisory, shown in the purple, and this is in effect till 2 o'clock today. Those areas in pink you see, those are areas that we'll be looking at a winter storm warning, and that will be in effect through 2 p.m. today as well. What we'll do right now is take a look on over towards our radar. Alright, and as you see, we are looking at snow shown by the blue on up here towards Baltimore and Annapolis. And as we zoom on in closer, again, this is right around 10 o'clock, and we get a new radar update about every 5 minutes showing where the snow is, because this isn't like normal radar, because it has to add precipitation typing, and all that means is it has to try to figure out what type of precipitation is falling, and the radar does that through an algorithm. As you see, we are looking at still some rain down here towards southern Calvert County, looking at rain in St. Mary's County, looking at maybe some snow on up towards Charles County, still looking at snow on over towards DC. We've got lots of reports up here towards Frederick County, on over towards Hagerstown near Winchester, of amounts that are over 5 inches of snow, and I'll show you that updated snowfall forecast in just a minute. But this storm is going to be affecting us in three parts. So the main area of low pressure zipped on past us this morning, moving a little bit faster than I was anticipating. Now we're getting the second part of the storm, which is just a little bit more, and we have an impulse of moisture that's moving through the region. So this is going to help to enhance some snowfall. You see that snow line going down past Orange County near Charlottesville and south of Fredericksburg. And then the third part which is what's really going to give us our snow, is this little impulse right here. This is going to come on through the region, bringing behind it some more cold air, and what that's going to do is give us a chance to see some more snow. So now what I'll go back on over to is show you our updated snowfall forecast. And because we're going to be anticipating that second wave of moisture to move on through, I've updated this a little bit. Now, the forecast was always we were going to see rain, maybe a mixture of sleet in the morning. That hasn't changed. What has changed is how quick the first low moved past, because we were anticipating it to stay here a little bit longer with that other area of colder air to come through and then produce more snow and give us heavier snow rates. That's not going to happen, so we're going to be mainly relying on the moisture that the upper level area of energy is going to be bringing with it later today, and it's going to be coming through the region right around 11 or 12 o'clock. So as a result, I updated this just a little bit. There isn't all that much of a change here in Southern Maryland. Most of the changes are happening on up towards the north. We're now looking at an area of over 5 inches of snow in Northern Maryland, Northern Virginia, and eastern West Virginia and the West Virginia Panhandle. Looks like Baltimore and DC will see 3 to 5 inches of snow. And then earlier I had forecasted 3 to 5 inches in northern Calvert and Charles County. Now it looks like most of the areas should see 1 to 2, with the areas that aren't in color seeing less than 1 inch. So really anywhere from Lesby on over towards Hollywood, on over towards Leonardtown, down towards the south. These areas will be seeing up to 1 inch of slushy accumulation. So this is the updated snowfall forecast. We're going to continue to keep you updated on this as we saw widespread school closings today. We may also see those go over into tomorrow. Probably not closings, most likely delays, as we will likely be looking at a refreeze tomorrow morning of any precipitation that fell today. So we're going to continue to keep you updated on this. We're going to continue to keep you updated on social media, giving you radar updates and any new watches or warnings that come into the region, as well as any new school closings. Have a nice and safe one, and we'll continue to keep you updated on the storm.